First, we on the gas. We are boiling the curd. See you after boiling. We are washing it. Now we are putting the butter. The butter melt and we put garlic paste. We are putting magic masala, chaat masala, oregano powder, red chili powder and salt. Now we put 1 spoon of lemon. Mixy. Mix it properly and let them cook. Okay, now they are fully cooked. Mix them properly. Mixy. Put some water if need. Put some corn and water, mix it well.
Let them cook. Move all the corn from here and there.
Whoa.
What's nice one?
Our dish is done. Let's plate it. Our dish is ready. Yummy. Delicious.